Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have decided to film myself getting ready. Today's video is gonna be somewhat more of soft glam, natural glow makeup. And yeah, if you guys want to chill with me, sit back, relax, and keep on watching. And today I'm also gonna be reviewing the new e.l.f. concealer, the 16-hour Camo concealer. So I just washed my face, and now I'm gonna prep it with some hyaluronic acid serum. And next I'm gonna go in with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Base. How refreshing. After watching Tatsi's video with Scott Barn, I'm actually inspired to do something like that today. I hope I'm gonna turn out looking a little bit more like JLo after this video. Hopefully. I don't think it's possible, but we'll try anyway. Here's a side-by-side comparison with my Tarte Shape Tape. ASMR guys, opening a fresh tube of concealer. Are you ready for it? Ooh, I almost forgot my lip balm. Going in with the Lucas Papa. The consistency is pretty similar to the Tarte Shape Tape. And now I'm gonna mix these two together to get my contour shape. Some drops of this and some of this. I overdid it a little. Here. I kind of went overboard over here, but it's okay. I'll blend that out later. In the video, he went like right under her jawline, and it looked so good. This kind of reminds me of the old Kim K contour makeup. And now that I look like a weird clown, I can go ahead and blend it all out with my Booty Blender. I worked a little slow, so everything kind of set itself already. Oh my god. Now that my face looks like an egg, I'm gonna explain to you how the concealer worked. The concealer sets really quickly, so you gotta work fast. Other than that, the coverage is nice. The consistency is pretty much like Tarte Shape Tape. This is a perfect dupe. And yeah, I heard a lot of good things about it. I will now set my under eye with the Kat Von D translucent powder. Just like that. A little on the bridge of my nose. And cut those cheekbones. Little on my forehead as well. And a little bit on my chin. While I'm waiting for that to set, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. When I heard Scott Barn talking about how much he hates the ombre eyebrow trend.
That wavy eyebrow thing, I hated that. And I hate the ombre eyebrow. Can't stand that. It's like nobody looks like that. It's abnormal.
I was like... Anyway, lately I've been really into thick, bushy eyebrows. I know it's looking kind of dark on the footage, but it's actually not that bad in real life. Anyway, let's move on to the eyeshadow. So today I'm going to use my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going into the color Demure. I'm going to quickly go into the crease with this, blend it out like so. Normally, if I'm doing a more sophisticated eye look, I would probably go into with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, my favorite. But since today I'm only gonna use one color, so I'm not gonna do that. I normally highlight with the same color all over. So I recently bought the NYX Born to Glow highlighting palette. I was gonna use it for a DIY body highlighter, body glow oil thing, but I actually love some of the shades in here so much. I normally like more golden tone highlighters because I just feel like it fits my complexion better. So today I'm gonna go into this color right here and I'm gonna pop it right in my inner corner. See how much it brightens up my eye? Have you guys... Okay, interruptions. Have you guys been watching The American Idol? Oh my goodness. Who's your favorite? Comment down below, tell me who you like. My favorite would definitely be Alejandro. Scary Pool Party. He is amazing. I've been listening to his music for like weeks now. His guitar skill is just out of this world. You guys have to listen to him. It's insane, y'all. You have to try it. Normally for days that I'm going for a more natural look, I often just go into just lining my eyes with a little bit of shadow. The lighting is so bad. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna line the bottom as well, but first I will have to dust these off. And now I will be going into the bottom. Lately, I've been going back to a lot of like old Disney movie. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I was watching Ratatouille again the other day. I forgot about how much I actually love that movie so much. Going in with my Benefit Roller Lash, like usual. I want to bronze up my face a little bit more using the Butter Bronzer. As you can tell, I love this bronzer really much. It smells amazing. Just very lightly. This bronzer is really buildable. And for the nose contour, I'm going to use a smaller brush. Tap off the excess. And this is my favorite blush, Tarte. She also hit pan. This blush is also a really buildable blush. And now I will be lining my lips with Maybelline Shaping Lip Liner in 118. Funny enough, right now with only my top lip line, I kind of look like Shigo from Kim Possible. You think so? There's just something so mysterious about her. So badass. You know what I mean? Tell me about your favorite Disney villain, guys. Who's your favorite and why? Now that my lips are lined, I will go in with Trendsetter by Huda Beauty. Right now, I'm feeling like a lighter nude, so I'm gonna go in with something lighter in the center. And now that we've got the lips, we will be moving on to my favorite part, the highlight. Before going in with the highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using the matte.
Favorite part, oh my god, I just love these sprays so much.
I literally drench myself. And it goes on. Okay, that's a little bit too much. And this is how the magic happens. Hallelujah. Woo! The drugstore is not kidding around, y'all. I'm gonna add a little highlight onto my shoulder. Oh my goodness. Let's let my hair down. Narcissistic montage. Honestly, guys, I am shook because, oh my god, this concealer is so bomb. It's so effing bomb, okay? First of all, it's so affordable, and it works great. It's just like your Tarte Shape Tape, but cheaper. It definitely sets a little faster than the Tarte Shape Tape, but other than that, it works just fine. And the NYX Born to Glow though, oh my god, this honestly surprised me so much. As you can see, can you see that glow? Yeah. And I'm just filming with natural daylight, okay? We don't have no studio lighting, but she's still glowing to the god. I got this for $22. Can you believe it? I got so many shades and they are awesome. This is unreal. Holy those are just gorgeous. Anyway, these are awesome. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to film the next video for you guys. And okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.